Hello and welcome to Stocks Advisor channel. Here at our channel we are looking for interesting buy opportunities for US-based stocks. Today we will talk about DocuSign Incorporated, traded at NASDAQ, ticker name DOCU. Well, DOCU 3 trading sessions ago actually made extremely high jump, and now we see some correction of that wave. Now the question is it still good to buy? What can we expect extra here? And yeah, what's general future for DOCU? Well, DOCU is interesting stock. It's definitely interesting to buy, and definitely it should continue its positive upwards behavior. Well, this big jump for last three trading sessions ago, what we can see is mainly driven by overall huge jump of all internet-based platforms like Zoom and others. DOCU together with them is also actually jumping quite significantly in that sense, and no surprise on that. But now the question is actually where it's interesting to buy, because you see also some significant decline here, but this is just a correction of the wave. And to understand it, indeed it is, let's have a look how the DOCU was developing after the COVID. So after COVID, actually after the darkest days, 16th of March here, we see that it started immediately very nice and steady grow up until something like July 13 here, and then it this trend one line was actually kind of stopped, and we saw some more let's say reasonable or not that accelerated recovery, the trend 2 line. And actually if you look carefully, indeed that's the case, because trend 1 line was exactly following moving average 20. This is the green line here. By the way, we have depictions of 3 moving averages on the left. It's green, blue and red lines being moving average 20, 50 and 200. And here clearly we see that moving averages both 200 and 50 were quite fast growing, steady stay. Also, of course, moving average 200 was the red line was growing up. But then at about actually July 13, 12, we see deceleration of growth. We made here 2 waves. And then actually moving average 50 at about 12th of August here worked as additional support and reconfirmer of the upwards trend. And then we see that trend 2 actually slightly shifting to more accelerative, faster trend. We can call it trend 3 in this case, and it made one wave that was confirmed and it was slightly elevating, and the wave was confirmed at 24th of August. And then we see wave went up, second wave, and then it went to the boost mode. And the boost mode actually now is correcting itself. So the question is where it will go. Will it go up? The answer is definitely it will continue, because trend 3 line should be reconfirmed. And that's all game here. The best entry point is actually at the reconfirmation trend 3 line. Of course, tomorrow it still might be like making some volatilities here, but in general, if you don't like casino style, more like want to know what you do, the best advice is, of course, is to buy at these correction levels that we actually touched today for this red hammer-like candle formed. It actually moved to this point and used it as a final support. But most probably tomorrow we will again go to the vicinity of dark line, and that would be the interesting buy option here. So in this area, also you see that moving averages like 20 and 50 here are starting to accelerate. So not only they are positive, but their first and second derivatives are positive as well. Meaning that if we draw it somewhere here, they will go like this. Kind of exponential style upwards, and moving average 200 will be somewhere here. So until this pattern is there, until the moving averages are really like boosting upwards and forming so-called 20, 50, 200 pattern, this is always growing stock. It's only question if you are a short or mid-term player where you can enter with the next wave. So now the next wave is being formed tomorrow probably, and beginning of next week it will be forming. Trend 3 line should be reconfirmed, T3 line here, and then we will go for another wave. Also, it is demand for reconfirmation because we went really over overbought situation based on RSI, and also if you look for MACD, we really made previous wave very nice double shoulder extended negative wave, which is pushing price up. Now we're at the top of positive wave, so it should also slightly decelerate. It will be either going down and then up, or it can make another positive wave. We will see how it will go, but in general it means that some correction action will take place here, and the second line of defense will be of course moving average 50, this blue line. But in general here in this vicinity it's nice point to buy for the confirmation of the wave, and then it will go up. And in general it should go up actually. In general, nothing says that all these companies, Zoom-like or internet platform companies, will soon see any decay, because we are still living in post-COVID conditions, mainly working from home remotely. And this remote working paradigm, I think, as also discussed by many others, it's something that will stay with us as a new sign of new era, actually a new working culture even after COVID, because it has shown itself to be very productive. The fears that it will be less productive, less easy to work did not confirm, so people work with the same results, with the same speed, sometimes even better. So probably this remote working paradigm will stay further with us even after COVID. And yeah, though companies working in these segments will be actually in a good position, good shape. So that was it for Kodo for this moment. Good luck with it. Now you know how to make your trade, where to enter. And also please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This way you will not miss our new videos and new interesting opportunities for US-based stocks.